Let's jump into a demo that showcases the capabilities of monday.com workOS. We'll start by creating a new board, and to do that, we'll head over to our template store. We've got tons of templates available, from templates to help you manage your marketing teams, content, or more traditional project management templates. For this demo, we'll start from scratch and build a template on our own. Let's start with something relevant to you, the investors watching this demo. Let's create a process for deal flow management. We'll start with a new board. You can think of a board as a combination of a sophisticated spreadsheet and a no-code database. We can list a few fictional companies: Company A, Company B, Company C. By default, we get a person column. Let's rename this to be the partner leading the deal. We can add any column that we need. Here are some of the basic columns. I'll rename these columns to term sheet and due diligence. We also have the due date for the deal. Also, we'll create an initial meeting column. We'll add a numbers column to indicate the amount raised. And we've also got a whole column store, with columns like link to another board, geographic location, files to add attachments to the items so you can store very complex data types in the board. Views allow you to visualize the same data from your board in new ways. Let's look at the calendar view, for example. All the information you manipulate on the calendar will be reflected inside the board. I can also view this data as Kanban, as a Gantt chart, timeline, and workload. Let's now talk about automations and integrations. Automations allow you to automate Monday to Monday. Whatever manual processes you have, you can create automations within Monday in plain English. It's very easy to set up recurring tasks and dependencies. We also have integrations that allow you to automate processes with third-party apps. You can connect nearly any app to Monday. We have a whole integration store. Let's dig into a cool example to see how this works. Let's add a phone column and add my number. I want to create a process where I'm notified every time a deal is struck. I'll integrate with my Twilio account, and then I'll set a rule that when due diligence changes to stuck, an SMS will be sent to my phone number. So, when someone from the team changes the status to stuck, I'll get a text message. We've got two more layers. Dashboards aggregate data across multiple boards, so managers can get a high-level view of their organization. Add any widgets you like, and customize them how you see fit. We've also got our developer portal, which allows any external developer to extend any of the layers I've discussed before. Let's take a look at what Monday can grow into. Here are 3 different workspaces. This is a fully working CRM, and because it's completely customizable to your needs, you can think of this as your dream CRM. It's as robust as tools like Pipedrive, and you can change it to create exactly what you need. You can see deals, targets, and see the sales team quota and attainment. And we also have dashboards that pull data from all of these workspaces and provide insights to the team. For instance, the sales dashboard shows how much the team has achieved of its target to date, the forecast by month, and the top deals, etc. Another workspace is a project management workspace. Again, this is as robust as Asana, Smartsheet, or Rike, but because it caters exactly to what you need, it's like the project management tool of your dreams. We have views specific for this use case, such as workload and a Gantt chart. We've seen that monday.com includes complete product solutions. You can use monday.com to manage every aspect of your organization, whether it's project management, marketing, CRM, or beyond. It can be customized precisely for your needs and be as robust as you need it to be. Thanks for tuning in.